I'm Matt McWilliams. I'm the Global Technical Manager with Bridon USA. We're here today to speak a bit about large square baler adjustments, troubleshooting, and our latest and greatest Impax technology. With Impax technology, we're able to bale longer, make heavier bales, and improve the performance of your large square baler in the field. Okay, so we like to cover the proper knots and most common knots that we typically tie when connecting spools in the twine box of a baler or connecting new spools with twine that's already routed in the baler. So this is the end of the starting spool. We want to connect the end of this spool to the start of the next spool in sequence. So the most common knot that's typically tied between the spools is a square knot. So to tie a proper square knot, the way I like to remember it is take my right hand under my left hand with the twine in it, wrap around towards you, and then my right hand, the twine that's in my right hand, go over the top of my twine that's in my left hand. And then pull evenly. A proper square knot is going to have the twine ends parallel with the running line of the twine. One way that can be done improperly is rather than alternating the ends, we take our right end under our left end and we take our right end under our left end again. That creates what we commonly know as a granny knot. And the ends of the tails of the knot are perpendicular to the running line of the twine. This knot can be used, but we don't recommend it because it typically slips and can create tying issues in the baler. And it also can create mistie issues when feeding to the needles or the knotters. A third knot that is another good option is what we call a surgeon's knot. So it's very similar to a square knot. We're just doing 2 rounds around the bottom layer of the knot. I'm going to take the twine in my right hand underneath the twine in my left hand, wrap towards me once, and wrap towards me again, and take the twine that's in my right hand and wrap over the top of the twine that's in my left hand. Pull the tails and slowly work that knot together. Very similar to a square knot, the tails of the knot are parallel with the running line of the twine. And this knot typically doesn't come loose when either baling in the field or roading the balers down the road. Okay, so we've covered a few different options. The square knot is most commonly used, but we would recommend the surgeon's knot in most cases, but not in any case do we recommend using a granny knot in a large square baler.